A close encounter with Mr. Cat. It was a fine morning with no rain and a lot of sunshine. Mother Hen sat on her eggs, expecting every moment that chicks would come out of them, one by one. She waited for hours, but the eggs did not crack and the chicks did not come out. Mr. Cat, who was passing by, saw Mother Hen in distress. "What's the problem?" asked Mr. Cat. "Oh, these chicks. They are taking such a long time to come out of their shells, and I'm tired of sitting on these eggs," said Mother Hen. "Can't you find somebody else to sit on those eggs so that you can go about collecting food for them?" asked Mr. Cat. "That's a good idea. But who will sit on these eggs until the chicks come out?" asked Mother Hen. "If you so desire, I'll do that for you," said Mr. Cat. "I know your ways. Please go away," said Mother Hen very angrily. Mr. Cat left the scene quickly, but went into hiding in a nearby bush. He waited impatiently until the chicks came out of their eggs. An egg cracked, and a tiny beak came out. Mother Hen was very happy to see her first chick. "What a nice fellow," she thought. Another egg cracked, and another tiny beak popped out of it. Little by little, all the eggs cracked and 5 little chicks were born. Mr. Cat licked his lips and twisted his long tail. Mother Hen gave her chicks the first lesson in life. "Beware of Mr. Cat, who is waiting to catch you." "Mama, who is Mr. Cat?" one chick questioned his mother. "I'll show you that 4-footed devil very soon. He will come to you and talk very nicely, but don't get caught by him. He is the first danger you have to face in life," said Mother Hen. Mr. Cat twitched his mouth. He could not bear it any longer. Then he came out of his hiding and approached Mother Hen. "You must be very happy to be surrounded by such cute little chicks," said Mr. Cat. "This is your enemy number 1, said Mother Hen, turning to Mr. Cat. The cute little chicks flocked around their mother and sought her protection. Mr. Cat twisted his tail once again and ran away from the scene, muttering, "Maybe another day," under his breath. Moral: A mother's deepest worry stems from love. Her vigilance and early warnings are the first shields that protect her children from a world full of hidden dangers. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.